In this video, I'm going to show you how an LED works. We'll start off by setting up our LED using the Grove Pi. Then we'll move on to controlling our LED with digital input, and finally, we'll learn how to control an LED with analog input. Setting up your Grove Pi LED is actually quite simple. All you'll need is your cable, the LED itself, and the circuit board. To put your LED kit together, you first need to find out which pin on your LED is the negative one. Here it's the pin with the large piece of metal connected to it, or the flat side on the domed piece of plastic. Put the negative pin into the negative hole on the circuit board, which is denoted by not having the positive sign next to it. And then you connect the cable to the circuit board, and the other end of the cable goes into your Grove Pi, like so. So now I'm going to show you how to create a program which takes the digital input of me pressing this button and uses that to control an LED. For this program, we're going to be connecting the button to digital pin 4 and the LED over here to digital pin 3. To start the code, we have to import the relevant libraries, including sensors.asterisk, which includes the LED library and the button library. Then in the main method, we have to create a new instance of the Grove Pi, a new instance of the LED, which is at digital pin 3, and a new instance of the button, which is at digital pin 4. Next, we set the starting state of the LED to be false or off. Then in a constant while loop, we check if the button has been pressed, and if it has been pressed, we change the state to the opposite of what it currently is, i.e. if it's off, turn it on, and vice versa. Then we wait 0.1 of a second to make sure that the state does not change in the small amount of time it takes to take your finger off the button. Now I'm going to show you how to use a light sensor to control an LED with analog input. The more light the light sensor detects, the brighter the LED gets. For this program, we're going to connect the LED over here to digital pin 3 and the light sensor to analog pin 0. Once again, we start off by importing the relevant libraries and creating a new instance of the Grove Pi. Then we set the pin mode of digital pin 3 to be output, that's the LED. Then we create a new light sensor which can be found at analog pin 0. Then in a constant while loop, we get the light level from the light sensor and convert that number to a number which can be written in an analog write to digital pin 3 to set the brightness of the LED. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you now have a better idea of how LEDs work and what you can do with them.